Another day, another story. Tips on effective modern-day marketing research for businesses. Part 1. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a young entrepreneur seeking to start or expand his business will eventually be faced with the need for effective marketing research. While many companies rely heavily on market research reports, which are available in abundance from various sources, there are some tips you can use to make sure your company gets all the information it needs without spending too much money. And the best part? These methods work just as well if you're a small startup as they do if you have an enterprise worth billions of dollars. 1. Conduct focus groups. Focus groups provide businesses with priceless insight into how their target customers think and feel about them. This means that focus groups allow you to find out what people really think, not merely what they say they think. When asked face-to-face or by phone. Once you know this, you will be able to adjust your product line or services accordingly, leading to a better customer experience overall. The key here is to select participants carefully. You want people who fit into your target demographic, so you won't get as much useful data if you don't choose your focus group members carefully. It's also important to ask the right questions in order to extract the most valuable insights possible, and to keep things informal and relaxed, rather than formal and intimidating. 2. Start online surveys. Surveys may seem outdated and inefficient, but they work surprisingly well online, especially if you can avoid asking generic questions like, "Do you like our new product?" Instead, create surveys with multiple choice answers. You'll also want to make sure that your survey has a clear call to action at the end of it, encouraging people to take the next step. 3. Use social media profiles. Using social media profiles in your marketing research is a great way to learn more about your target demographics. For example, you could look up the profile of a person who fits your target demographic and see what kinds of posts he likes and shares. Then, try posting content that is similar to what he likes, and see what kind of response you get. If you get a good response, then you can build upon that post by creating similar ones. To be continued. Thanks for watching.